Hi, this is the HOTWAV T5 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see with the simple touch here on the scanner, I just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.